Let us see how to host Kali Linux in AWS. First, log into your AWS account. So then you can select EC2. Once EC2 dashboard is loaded, select on instance. Currently, as you can notice, there are no instance. So in order to create one instance, you can first select on launch instance. First, provide the name for your system. So here I'll give the name as Kali Linux. Next, select the operating system which you want to host. So as I am hosting Kali Linux, so here I'll search for Kali Linux operating system. So once you have located the Kali Linux, you can select the Kali Linux OS. So here you have the details about the operating system. So once we have verified with the details, so you can select on subscribe now. Once the OS is selected, next you need to specify the hardware. So here I'll be selecting the free tier eligible. Once the hardware is selected, next for authentication you need to create an key pair. So here I'll give the name of the key as Kali 1 and I'll create an new key pair. So once the key pair is successfully downloaded, so you can now launch the instance. Once the instance is successfully launched, so you can view the instance by click on view instance and you can refresh the dashboard. So as you can observe here, so we have successfully hosted the instance on an AWS. So in order to connect to that instance, so here I'll select on connect. So first here you have the information how to connect to the instance. So first you need to have SSH client. By default in our Kali Linux we have SSH client. You need to locate the private key, so which we have downloaded. So here we have the private key. Next you need to specify the permission of the key in this pattern. So let me specify the permission for the key. And finally, in order to connect, you can utilize this command. So let me copy the command and enter that command. So whenever you are accessing Kali Linux, log in via the Kali Linux user, which is an default account. So finally you can see I am able to access the Kali Linux which is hosted in the AWS. So thank you for watching the video. So please do subscribe for Hacker School.